Ahoy mateys! Thanks for tuning in to Pirates and TVs. Joshua Lesney here. Got this old 40-pound propane tank. It's been sitting unused. Tried to go get it filled. First they wouldn't fill it. It said they had the wrong tip on it. So I bought an adapter. It takes more than just the adapter. You gotta have an overfill protection device, or OPD, on here instead. So in this video, I'm going to pull this old valve off here. I've ordered a new OPD online, and we'll stick this new valve on here, take it down to the propane place, and see if they'll certify it. New tank would have cost 150 bucks, 200 bucks. The new valve was 30 bucks. So let's see if we can do this. First thing is you're supposed to soften the glue on here because, you know, I cannot get this thing to release. And I can't find my darn heat gun either, so I'm going to try pouring some boiling water on here and seeing if that's enough to loosen up this glue. For obvious reasons, I don't think it's a good idea to use like a blowtorch. You know, a propane torch on here would probably be the last thing I ever did. Probably work though. Alright, let's get some hot water on here, see if it'll loosen. Freaking cooking hot now. Let's see if it'll undo. So it was difficult, but I got the valve loose. What I ended up doing was putting a wrecking bar in here so I was able to like keep it from spinning, and then I put a wrench on here and hit it with a rubber mallet after pouring boiling water on the bong threads to soften up the glue. And eventually it got loose, and I was able to get it to this point where now it'll be easy to take off. I just got to go grab my new one at the mailbox. So let me go get that. And we'll throw that on here, and I'll be right back. Voila! Which is French for, and then I figured it out. Don't you just love that new Ready Player One movie? Anyway, so yeah, it was actually super simple. Put the new OPD on here, took it down to the propane place. They had it filled with the new sticker and a recertification on it within like an hour or two, and I have a 40-pound can of propane. Now here's the thing though. I paid 10 bucks for the recert and $30 for the valve. Come to find out, the propane tank place is selling used 40-pound tanks with the new thing in it, ready to go for 50 bucks. So, I mean, I did save $10, and obviously, like, throwing shit away is stupid when you don't have to, so that was kind of cool. But yeah, so, I mean, it's super easy if you have an old propane tank. Get yourself a new valve, stick it on there, and, you know, waste not. All right. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, please, 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 and maybe even the bell to turn on notifications. All right, awesome. And DIY or die. Have a piratical day.